Meditation is a powerful practice that promotes relaxation, focus, and emotional well-being. For beginners, starting a meditation routine may seem daunting, but it's very simple and requires no special equipment. By following a few basic steps and being patient with yourself, you can begin your meditation journey easily. Find a comfortable spot. The first step in meditation is finding a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner of your home, a park, or even a quiet room at work. Sit on a cushion, chair, or floor, ensuring your back is straight and your posture is relaxed. Comfort is essential to prevent distractions during your practice. Next, set a timer. Start with short sessions, such as 5-10 minutes, and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Setting a timer can help you avoid the need to check the clock, allowing you to fully focus on your meditation. Many free meditation apps provide timers with soothing chimes to enhance the experience. Be sure to focus on your breathing. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to settle into the moment. Focus your attention on your breath as it flows in and out. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, then leaving your body. Don't try to control your breathing, simply observe it. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Accept wandering thoughts. It's natural for beginners to have thoughts interrupt their meditation. Instead of feeling frustrated, acknowledge the thought and let it pass like a cloud drifting across the sky. Meditation isn't about stopping thoughts, but learning to observe them without judgment or attachment. Practice regularly. Consistency is key when building a meditation habit. Aim to meditate at the same time each day, such as in the morning to set a calm tone for the day, or in the evening to unwind. Over time, meditation can help you develop a greater sense of clarity, reduce stress, and improve focus. By starting small and practicing regularly, anyone can learn to meditate. The journey of meditation is about progress, not perfection. With patience and dedication, you'll discover the profound benefits of this ancient practice.